Hello everyone, this is Trishan Kumar speaking. Today I would like to discuss about the error and approximation part 3. So let me begin. Okay, there are a topic to discuss about the error, type of error with definition such as modeling, inherent, numerical, truncation, round off error and other things. And absolute, relative and percentage error. Okay, the first one is error. The definition of the error is we are familiar with exact numbers and approximate number. The difference between the exact solution and approximate solution is called error. Okay, there are a type of error such as modeling error is meaning by missing information. Inherent error has data error and conversion error. Numerical error has a round-off error and truncation error, and the blunder is meaning by for human imperfection. Okay, the first one is inherent error or input error or intrinsic error. Inherent error, also known as the input error or intrinsic error, refers to the error that is naturally present in any numerical method or measurement due to the limitation or the method or the precision of the tool used. It token two component has a data error and conversion error. Okay, the next one is data error. Data error refers to inaccuracies or inconsistencies present in the data used for analysis, computation, or decision making. This error can arise from various sources including such as measurement error, recording error, and input error. Okay, conversion error occur one format type of system to another and inaccuracies or loss of information happen during the process. Common scenarios where conversion error might occur including such as type conversion, unit conversion, format conversion, and encoding conversion. Okay, after that, numerical errors are introduced during the process of implementation of a numerical method. They come in two forms, has a round-off error and truncation error. Okay, next one, round-off error occur when a fixed number of digits are used to represent exact number. Since the number are stored at every stage of computation, round-off error is introduced at the end of every arithmetic operation. It can be done in two ways of chopping and symmetric rounding. Okay, in chopping, extra digits are dropped. Chopping simply cut off the extra digit without any adjustment. Okay, for example, let's say for chopping is 2.16. Okay, I need to get this one. Okay, 2.476. 2.476. So chopping. So what the answer chopping? What the answer of the 2.476? Very simple. So the answer is 2.47. 2.47. That the answer is 2.7 for chopping. Okay, and the next one is symmetric round off. In this method, the last round up by 1 if the first discarded digit is largest or equal to 5. Otherwise, the last returned digit is unchanged. Okay, let's say for 2.476. Okay, so 6 is bigger than 5. Okay, if the number bigger than 5, it will change the number. Okay, the improvement need to change. So answer is 2.48. 2.48. So that's the answer is 2.48 for symmetry round off. Okay, the choppy one answer is 2.47 and the symmetry round-off answer is 2.48. Okay, the question asking for difference between round-off and chopping. Okay, for the answer, if a number is correct up to D for decimal place, we have to keep in mind that the degree in the DTH place of decimal is not exact but affected with round-off error. Okay, let's say a number is 72.520457. So wait for a while. Okay, let's say so number is 72.520457. Okay, for round off and chopping. Okay, let's say for 5 decimal place. Okay, for example, for 5 decimal place is okay. So answer round off. In the round off, we need the question asking for 5 decimal place. Okay, so 72.530457, right? Okay, the 5 decimal place of round off is 72.5204. 6. Okay, because the 7 have bigger than 5. Okay, for 5 decimal number here. Okay, so chopping answer is 72.52045. Chopping. So the question asking for 5 decimal place. So that's the answer. Okay, the second one is 4 decimal place. Okay, 4 decimal place. Okay, the 4 decimal place, the round off is okay 72.5205. 72.5205. Sorry, 72.5205. The round off for 4 decimal place. So that's the answer, this one. Okay, the next one, chopping. Meanwhile, the chopping is 72.5204. So this one only change because the 5 is bigger than 5 or equal to 5. So answer round off in 72.5205, while the chopping, the answer is 72.5204. Okay, okay, and the last one is 3 decimal. Okay, 3 decimal. Okay, the answer is okay. Let's say okay, and the last one is 3 decimal place. Okay, if the 3 decimal place asking to change to round off or chopping, meanwhile, so I'm very simple. Okay, so the 3 decimal place, the answer is in the round off is 72.520. 520 because the 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5, so answer is 72.520. While the chopping of the 3 decimal place answer is 72.520 lah. Very simple. That's the same answer in 3 decimal place. So because the 4 bigger than 5, so chopping, so no need to change without the number any adjustment. So that's the answer is this one. That's the example of the answer. Please take note of this answer. Okay, the next one is truncation error. Truncation error is the error introduced when an infinite process is approximated by the finite one. This type of error arises in numerical method when an infinite series iterative process of continuous function is truncated or cut off over a finite number of terms of steps. Common source of truncation error such as series approximation, numerical integration, and numerical differentiation. Okay, so that's all for now. So thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much and goodbye.